Hi guys, you're welcome to this gate.io tutorial on how you can actually download and install the gate.io app into your mobile device. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. So now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store, or you go over to your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, then you go over to your App Store. Since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial today, let me go over to my Play Store and take note that the process of actually downloading and installing the gate.io app into your phone in the App Store and Play Store are actually the same. So guys, let me go over to my Play Store. So let me tap on this real quick. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening up. So once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do right here now is to actually search out gate.io, and for you to do that, you have to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on search. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search bar at the top. Then what you have to do now is to type in gate.io. So let me type in gate.io, gate.io. Then let me tap on search. Right there is the gate.io app. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it now to open the web page. So guys, right here is gate.io. You can see the logo right there. That's the gate.io logo. You can see the name gate.io, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So this is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can actually buy and sell every kind of crypto at all. So guys, now for you to download and install this, what you have to do now is to tap on install. So let me tap on install right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. What is going to happen is that it's going to download. Then once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. As you can see there, it has started installing. It is at 1%, so we have to wait till it gets to 100%. So guys, let me wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 97%, so let's just wait till it gets to 100%. Then it's going to start installing automatically. Let's wait, like I said before. Depending on how strong your connection is, it's going to take from some seconds to about 1 minute or even 5 minutes, depending on how strong your connection is. You can see now it's on 99%, 100%. You can see now it's installing. That started installing automatically. Wow guys, can see now it is done installing. Now been able now to download and install the gate.io app. So what you can do next now is to tap on open to open the gate.io. Let me tap on open right away. So guys, now you can see the gate.io app is opening. So let me tap on skip now, so it takes us to the home page. So guys, now this is the home page right here. Let me tap on allow. This is the home page. So now I've been able now to show you guys how I can download and install the gate.io app. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.